Welcome back to Revolutionizing Healthcare. Today we are going to make chicken burrito bowls using essential oils in the Instant Pot. Real quick guys, before we begin, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button. We usually put up at least one video a week and you do not want to miss out. Also, join our Facebook group where we have constant essential oil ideas posted every day. Ingredients we're going to need for this recipe: 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of chipotle sauce from a can of chipotle chilies in adobo, 2 drops of lime essential oil, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 pounds skinless boneless chicken breasts or thighs, 1 28-ounce canned diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 drop of black pepper essential oil, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 28-ounce can of black beans rinsed and drained, 2 cups of shredded Colby Jack cheese, 1 drop of cilantro essential oil, and chopped fresh cilantro. As always, when cooking or using essential oils internally, make sure you only use 100% certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. If you're using a different type of essential oil, you do so at your own risk. You can find these oils in the description down below. We are going to make a chipotle sauce by adding the sour cream. Add 1 tablespoon of adobo sauce to the sour cream. I like it a little bit spicier, so I'm going to add 2, but I would stick with 1 if you like mild food. 1 clove of garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 drop lime essential oil. Stir to combine thoroughly. When done, cover and place in fridge. Add chicken, tomatoes, another tablespoon of adobo sauce, a tablespoon of paprika, 3 cloves of garlic, onions, a teaspoon of salt, 1 drop of black pepper essential oil, 1 drop of cilantro essential oil, 1 to 2 drops of lime essential oil, and 2 cups of the chicken broth. Secure lid and set valve to pressure. Select pressure cook or manual and set to high pressure for 15 minutes. We are going to use a quick release to depressurize. When cooking is done, press cancel and release the pressure. Remove chicken from pot and shred with a fork. Add the rice, the beans, and the remaining 2 cups of broth. Secure lid and set the valve to pressure. Set to pressure cook or manual on high pressure for 5 minutes. When done, we are going to use a quick release to depressurize. When done, press cancel and depressurize. Add shredded chicken back to the pot and mix in with the mixture. Remove to a serving plate. Top with the chipotle sauce, cheese, and cilantro. Guys, as always, please throw me some thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, that way you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos coming up. And remember, you can find the best ingredients and the best essential oils in the entire world at the best prices in the link down below. I will see you next week on Revolutionizing Healthcare.